Hello everyone, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok. I am from Ahmednagar. Our topic is what is the recursion in Java. So we have discussed about the recursion in Java. So what is the recursion? So we have discussed about the what is the definition of recursion. So we have called the method itself. So it is the recursive methods, and in that techniques are we are using the Java. So its technique is the recursion. So how to use the recursion in Java? So we have used the recursion in Java because of we have called the methods from call the method by methods, and we have known about the your data is how to transfer from one side to another side, one method to another method. So how to transfer by using the we are using the recursion in Java. So they are mostly using recursion in Java because of so this is the process which function call itself directly and indirectly, and it's called the recursion. So corresponding function is called the recursive function using the recursive algorithms certain problems and can be solved it easily by using the example of subprogram. We are not using the for loops in that recursion methods. So we are not the purpose. What is the best condition of recursion? So it is a recursive program. The solution of base provided to solution of the bigger problem is expressed in terms of problems. So int fact int an is equal to n if n is less than equal to 1, which is the base case, return 1, else return n n into factorial n minus 1. So it is the above example we have based the n is less than 1, and it is defined to the larger value of the number can be stored by the converting the smaller one bit 1 till base of the created. So how is a particular problem to solving using the recursion? So there are idea represent the problem there one or more smaller problems, and add one or more base condition and stop the recursion. For example, we have completed factorial of we know factorial of the n minus 1. The base case is the factorial would be n is equal to 0. So why stack overflow errors occurs in recursion? In this case, base case, the not region not defined, then the stack overflow problem may arise. Let's me take the example about in the stack. So int factorial int n, and if n is equal to 100 and return 1, else return n into factorial n minus 1. So factorial is called the and it will reach 100. So base case is not reach. So it is memory exhausted, and this function on the stack it will cause the stack overflow errors. So there are some what is the difference between tail and non-tail recursion? So recursion function tail is recursive when the recursive call the last thing executed by the function, and how memory is allocated different function calls in a recursion. When we can function the call the main methods, and the memory is allocated on the stack, the recursive function call itself, and the memory is called function allocated to the top of memory allocated calling function. So uh, it is the what is the disadvantage of recursive programming over iterative programming? So recursive program provides a clean and simple way to write the code and solve some problems are inherently because recursive like tree travels, tower of Hanoi. For such problems, it is preferred to the write recursive code. We can such code are interruptly help to stack data structure. For example, in order tree, a traversal without the recursion, intrusive towers of menu. So it is the all about the recursion. Thank you so much.